Want to hide all your Facebook photos from everyone? Here's how to make them completely private. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap your profile picture to open your profile page. Here, click on the Photos menu. Next, open any album you want to make private. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Edit Privacy. Change the option to Only Me. After that, tap on Done to save. Your album is now completely private, only you can see it. Repeat these steps for all albums to make every uploaded photo private. Now let's hide photos you're tagged in. Go back to the menu page. Scroll down and select Profile and Tagging. Find and select who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. Set it to Only Me. At the bottom, click on Save. Then find who can add you to the audience of tagged posts. Set this to Only Me as well. After selecting, tap Save at the bottom, and that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Tech Simplify.